When I was growing up, the only time I really felt at peace was outdoors. We had a forest right behind our house. We also lived close to the ocean, so I visited that often. Today, I live in Hawaii, and it's still the same. Every time that I need to be reminded of what's simple and beautiful, I go into the forest, or I go to the ocean, I get in the water, I cleanse the crown of my head, I go underwater, and I actually do a lot of prayer or meditation, soul communication when I'm underwater. It feels like the veils of any doubt or illusion are cleared. I'm able to connect most deeply to my own heart and mind and soul. I'm also able to ask in intention or request for support without any confusion or doubt lingering. Connecting to nature is something we're not generally taught as a tool in which supports us and sustains us. At this time, the earth is going through many changes, and Mother Nature can seem daunting or intimidating. I learned to walk barefoot while hiking on some of the most famous trails on the island of Kauai. Hiking or walking barefoot is a really powerful technique to ground the energy to the earth. Even the shoes we wear actually generally are made of plastic or rubber and can unground us. Being grounded to the earth is so important because that opens the gateway or the channel of energy and light that can move not only up to us but also out of us. We can get energy stored in our body, emotions, mindsets, thought forms, pain, and we need a way to release it also. Connecting to the forest, to the rocks, to the waterfalls, the rivers, the streams, the mountains, the sand, the sunlight, the moon, the stars, the wind, the ocean, all of it is so healing and nurturing. It's a neutral environment, which means that there's no opinions based on a relationship with it. So there's harmony, there's balance, there's oneness. We can drop into ourselves, into our interior further, and really let go. Bringing people into nature is one of my favorite things to do. I love to introduce the elements of the planet and of the earth to people that may not entirely have that trust or that confidence, that relationship. It's so rewarding to really allow in something that might feel foreign and to see how truly beneficial building a relationship with nature can be. It's one of my goals in my life is to introduce this multidimensional relationship that we can have with the planet. We're not separate. We actually rely on the sustainability of the planet. Therefore, why don't we just harmonize with it and become codependent so that we're supporting it just as much as it's supporting us? It helps to calm fears, it helps to calm anxieties, it helps to clear depression. It helps to uplift the vibration of the body. It really is just a very profound balancing, harmonizing, energizing opportunity. And what's great is it's free. It's just always there. It's always available. And the plants, the nature spirits, the devas, the animals, the elements of the earth, they're all eager to share their love and their light with us. We just have to be willing.